Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add multiple accounts on Snapchat easily. So let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Next, click the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap Logout. From this screen, you can either tap Sign Up to create a new account or simply log in to another account. Want to switch accounts? Just log out again and choose the account you want to use. And there you have it. Managing multiple Snapchat accounts is that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.